Fashion for me has become more about problem solving than anything else. Sometimes the problem is explaining what world a song is coming from, or even kind of explaining where you're coming from.
When I think of Caroline and her signature look, I think she's really interested in deconstructing garments and seeing what's inside of them. She doesn't want to know everything. She wants to make it her own.
I think about the ideal world that the song would take place in and dressing as if I was going to go into that world myself. For example, Chairlift is a project that I'm in with a boy who's a friend of mine. And so the character that I become in that music is more androgynous and more fun.
I like that her style pairs feminine and masculine, and it has this utilitarian aspect, but then there's also some romance to it.
The Ramona Lisa project becomes much more feminine and also more formal. On stage, it's much more about communicating the music than about my own personal comfort. In studio mode, I like to be comfortable because you never know how late you're going to be working. I want to feel sort of as anonymous as I can. Like any direction the song wants to go, I belong in it. About a year ago, I started going out at night with an extra pair of eyes painted on my face, because it kind of took people off guard.
For her, it's not like she's trying to make a fashion statement. It's more about how it changes your interactions with people.
I love striking high contrast shapes, a fitted torso, or a high waistline, or a conical heel. A lot of these things happen to have been around for a really long time, and there's a good reason why. It's because they just look good on people. I love patterns that seem kind of biomorphic, like kind of animal, kind of plant, but aren't really either.
I think Caroline has this deliberateness to what she does, but it's also effortless. So it's this juxtaposition and paradigm.
I think it's amazing how Kurt Cobain is seen in a million photos with the same sunglasses on. That, to me, is exciting, and it lets you know someone better. That's one thing I look forward to doing, even within dressing for music, is quietly incorporating the same thing back into different outfits, almost like using the same synth sound in different songs and letting people see if they can pick it out. I've always gravitated towards music that pulls me into a kind of hypnotic place. And fashion, for me, when combined with music, can do a thing of making you feel kind of hyper-aware and sensual and like you're kind of walking right on the edge of a dream.